Step 3. Add measures to your composition, format your composition, copy and paste your melody/theme, create your first variation by adding passing tones to your theme by inserting an eighth note in between notes that skip. So let's get started. Let's log into Smart Music. And then we'll go up to just right of your home is this orange waffle looking thing. Then Content Manager. And then you can open your file from there. My theme variations, edit. So we need to add at least 8 measures because our theme is 8 measures long. So we're going to scroll down and we're going to go to score, and then where it says staves and bars, we're going to click on that, and then you'll see these pencils with bubbles. We're going to go to last measure, and we're going to click on the pencil with a bubble in it. And here it says you can go to add or remove measures. We're going to add measures after. We're going to type in 8, add measures. Now you'll notice format got a little misaligned. So we want to change that. So we're going to go up to page layout, and then you'll see that it highlights a system. We'll click on the top system. Then we have 2 options of arrows. We have an arrow without an underscore, and then we have an arrow with an underscore. Click on just the arrow, just to the left, and you see as I click that down, I can push measures down, right? So we can do the same thing up here. I just want to have 4 measures per system. And I can also notice I've got my title down here. So I want to push this whole system over 1. And then I can scroll over, scroll back up, and then push this system down. I'm going to go ahead and save because I will lose the work if I don't. And my browser shuts down. Continue using Compose. I'm going to scroll over. And now I'm going to go ahead and use my cursor, and I'm going to click outside of those systems, and then I'm going to hold my left button down so I can highlight that. You'll notice once it's highlighted, I can go to, now I can right click, I think, or I can just hit Control C, or I can go up here where it says copy. Now I have on the left, I have some information. It says clipboard manager. So I've currently on my clipboard, I have the selection that I've created. So now I want to scroll back over to my empty measures. I'll click on the first empty one. I'll go up to the clipboard and paste. I'm going to go ahead and file and save. So now I've successfully added my measures. I've formatted my score, and I've copied and pasted my theme. I'm going to continue using. So now I'm going to add a very simple variation by taking a look at wherever I have skips. My first skip is here by creating 8th notes. So I'm going to click on the 8th note. I'm going to click on this note, and I'm going to fill that space up with a passing tone. Here I have a skip. Here I have a leap. I'm going to leave that alone for right now. Here I have a skip. And here I have a skip. And here I have a skip. So now let's go ahead and file save, and let's listen to my theme and my first variation. I'm pretty satisfied with that. So I'm going to go ahead and file and save. I'm also, this is not necessary, but I'm going to go ahead and label my first variation by adding text, going to this text block, typing now, clicking on that note. And I can also move this up. I'm going to move it up so it's above the note. Notice it's in the edit text, it says text content, and it's still highlighted. So I'm just going to put variation 1. File, save. I'm going to do the same process, and I'm just going to label my theme as the theme. Text block, theme, move it up top here. And I'm going to type in theme. Oops. File, save. And that's the end of step 3.